floors, the tall wooden doors, I held you in my arms. June bug, I'd burn down a picture of a house, say it was ours, when we didn't need it anymore. And that was when I loved you best. We were kids then, we shouldn't think about the rest. You'd put the moon in a basket on your bike front by the coast. The way you faced it up in pale grief, you were a ghost. You liked to play with darkness, all the universe could give. I was the home you once tried to escape the dark in which you lived. Soon they'd find you lying there at 7 different homes. They'd find you lying on their